In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear fellow citizens, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I am M.K. Masud Rana, speaking to you as a representative of the Bangladesh Samaj Party, extending my heartfelt greetings and best wishes to all of you. Our beloved homeland Bangladesh, this country is our pride, the fruit of our struggle. We believe that every citizen of this nation deserves equal rights, dignity, and the assurance of a peaceful life. The Bangladesh Samaj Party is firmly committed to building the Bangladesh of our dreams, a country free from discrimination, corruption, and injustice. Our goal is to establish an independent, prosperous, and justice-based society, where the voice of the people will be the greatest strength. We believe that only unity, honesty, and a spirit of public service can build a better future. Let us all come together to build a developed, human, and welfare-oriented Bangladesh. Victory to truth, victory to justice. Bangladesh Samaj Party, for the people, for the country. Assalamu alaikum. Long live Bangladesh Samaj Party.